We have divided AUM into sort of two buckets.
You've been going strong, so how do you do that?
If you get your sector call right, that determines almost 80-85% of your returns. So it is very important that you need to have a blend of both the things.
How are you able to manage performance and diversification both while tracking a benchmark which is so wide? Because what we understand is to create alpha, you would have to go overweight or underweight in certain sectors. How do you do that in a wide benchmark if you have to skip sectors for that? And if the call, let's say, goes the other way, then there is a risk of underperformance. But you've been going strong, so how do you do that?
Yeah, so I think broadly, if you look at our Flexi Cap funds in different framework, what we have done is that we have divided AUM into sort of two buckets. So 2/3 is sector rotation, which is a top-down kind of approach, and 1/3 is bottom-up. The reason we sort of went with this strategy is that, first of all, probably I will say two probably main reasons. One is that if you look at past historical analysis, if you get your sector call right, that determines almost 80-85% of your returns. Just to give example, probably the worst performing stock of best performing sector will still outperform the best performing stock of the worst performing sector. This is broadly has been the trend. So that is one of the reasons that we thought we need to run this fund with a probably top down view also. Secondly, also as you said, the benchmark is fairly large and wide. So benchmark is NSE 500. So in a way you are looking at 500 stocks. And it is very difficult for anyone to go beyond 60-70 stocks, right? So a bottom-up approach obviously probably it is not that ideal for such a large category. It is probably workable, say some other categories like say large or mid cap kind of thing, where the universe is relatively smaller, benchmark universe. But in case of Flexi Cap, benchmark universe is fairly large. So it is very important that you need to have a blend of both the things. So 2/3 is more of a top down and 1/3 is bottom up. So we also do bottom up in Flexi Cap fund, but that is mostly again coming from the sector where we probably underweight, but we still find some names which we think can deliver returns to our shareholders.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.